Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl. Sometimes SEO teams notice something strange in search results. A website may have a page specifically optimized for a keyword, but Google chooses to completely rank a different page from the same website. For example, instead of ranking a carefully optimized product page, Google might rank a blog article or a category page. This situation often happens because search engines detect multiple pages on the same website targeting very similar keywords. When this happens, the pages may compete with each other. This issue is known as keyword cannibalization. In this video, we'll explore why Google sometimes ranks the wrong page and how SEO teams can fix the problem. Keyword cannibalization occurs when multiple pages on a website attempt to rank for the same or very similar keywords. For example, a website might have a blog article discussing a topic, a product page offering a related service, and another article covering the same keyword from a slightly different angle. From the website's perspective, these changes may seem different. But for SEO search engines, they can appear very similar. As a result, Google may struggle to determine which page should rank for the keyword, and it may choose a page that was not originally intended to rank. Search engines use many signals to determine which page should rank for a query. Sometimes the page that ranks is not the one that was intentionally optimized for the keyword. For example, another page may have more internal links pointing to it, making it appear more important within the website. In other cases, that page may have more backlinks, which increases its authority. User behavior can also influence this decision. If visitors engage more with one page, Google may see it as more helpful. Finally, the page that ranks might simply match the search intent better than the page that was originally optimized. Keyword cannibalization can cause several SEO challenges. First, rankings may become unstable. Google might switch between different pages from the same site for the same query. Second, the authority that could have helped a single strong page rank higher becomes spread across multiple competing pages. Instead of one powerful page, the site ends up with several weaker ones. This dilution can make it harder for any single page to rank strongly in results. Identifying keyword cannibalization usually requires reviewing ranking data and performance reports. A common sign is when multiple pages from the same website appears for similar keywords. Another indicator is when the ranking page frequently changes. For example, one week a blog post might rank for a keyword, next week a different page replaces it. Sometimes the issue becomes obvious when Google consistently ranks a page that was not designed for that search term. These patterns suggest that the search engine is uncertain about which page should be considered the primary result. There are several ways to solve keyword cannibalization. One common approach is content consolidation. If multiple pages cover nearly the same topic, combining them into one stronger page can concentrate authority. Another strategy involves improving internal linking. By linking strategically to the main page you want to rank, you signal search engines that this page is the most important. Finally, content can sometimes be adjusted so that the page targets a slightly different keyword or search intent. This helps reduce competition between pages and clarifies the role of each within a site. Preventing keyword cannibalization often starts with better content planning. SEO teams frequently use keyword mapping, which assigns specific keywords or topics to specific pages. This ensures that each page has a clear purpose. It also helps avoid situations where multiple pages are unintentionally pitted against each other for the same search queries. A well structured internal linking strategy can also reinforce which pages are most important within a topic area. Together, these practices help search engines to understand the structure and priorities of the website. To summarize, keyword cannibalization happens when multiple pages on a website compete for the same search queries. This can confuse search engines and prevent the site from achieving strongest possible rankings. By identifying overlapping content, consolidating similar pages, and strengthening internal linking, SEO teams can clarify which page should rank. In most cases, the best strategy is simple. For each important keyword or search intent, aim to have one clear authoritative page that search engines can confidently rank. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time, I remain Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Thank you and goodbye.